ආශිර්වාදය ලැබේවා. පයින් කටින් වරදක් වුණා නම් පළමුව දෙවියන්ට සමාවෙලා ඔබ වහන්සේගේ පීඩ ආරක්ෂාව ලැබේවා. සාදු සාදු සාදු.
Nikasala Nuwara, a hidden monastery near Panduwasnuwara. Just a few kilometers from the ancient city of Panduwasnuwara lies another archaeological site that many visitors overlook. After exploring Panduwasnuwara, we headed towards Nikasala Nuwara. The road is a little rough in places, but the drive is well worth it. Along the way, we passed beautiful and lush countryside. The area is sparsely populated. Our first stop was the modern temple.
Hey. Ame amma.
But as we walked further in, ancient ruins gradually began to appear among the trees. Stone pillars, moonstones, guard stones, balustrades, stairways, and the foundations of numerous buildings revealed that this was once a large monastic complex. Some structures have already been conserved, while others remain untouched. Earth mounds throughout the site suggest that more ruins still lie beneath the ground. The forest setting makes the site especially pleasant to explore, with tall trees and the sounds of birds surrounding the ancient remains. We also came across the ancient image house and a restored stupa. Around it are original stone fragments that are still waiting identification and conservation. Throughout the site, many architectural pieces remain where they were found, waiting to become part of a larger archaeological puzzle. Further ahead, an ancient stone staircase leads up the hillside. As we started the climb, we were joined by one of the temple dogs, who seemed happy to guide us along the way. Higher up the mountain, we discovered a group of meditation caves built into the natural rock with simple clay walls across the front. These caves once provided quiet living spaces for monks.
මෙතන දේවාලයක් වගේනේ.
Continuing further, we reached a much larger cave dwelling. Although it appears recently built compared to the ancient caves, it was deserted during our visit. Local residents told us that the mountain is believed to be under the protection of God Vishnu, who is revered in Sri Lankan Buddhist tradition as a guardian of Buddhism and its devotees. One of my fellow travelers who was familiar with these traditions offered a short prayer to the local guardian deities, asking for protection and forgiveness for any unintentional disrespect while exploring the sacred place.
නැගින්න බර මොනවද බහින්න බර මොනවද නැග්ගියොත් එන්න.
එන්න ඉතින් කොහෙන්
එයා කොහෙන්ද නැග්ගේ? අර අතනින් යන්න ඇත්තේ. කොහෙන්ද නැග්ගේ බහින නැග්ග විදිහට.
එන්න ඉතින්
අතනේ පවතක් දෙනවා.
එන්න. එන්න. එන්න කොයිද ඉන්නේ?
බහිනවා අතනින්.
ඔයා නම් ඉතින්
ඒ බයි කිහිල්ලක් දාලා ගන්න බැරිද?
උඩනේ ඉන්නේ.
We decided to turn back before reaching the summit. Only later did we learn that the monument locally believed to be the tomb of Prince Vijaya lies further uphill. While this association belongs to local tradition rather than established archaeology, it remains an important part of the area's heritage. After returning from the hike, we stopped for a cup of tea at a small village shop. Nikasala Nuwara may not be as well known as nearby Panduwasnuwara, but its peaceful surroundings, extensive ruins, and hillside cave monastery make it a rewarding place to visit for anyone interested in Sri Lanka's archaeological heritage.
ඉතන පහන් ගාලා හිටිනවා මේ. මෙතන මේ දේශීයට මෙහෙම වතුර එන්නේ හැටි මේ. වතුර. මෙහෙම අර කටාරම කෙටුවා මෙහෙම වතුර එන්නේ නැහැ. ඔව්. දැන් මේ වතුර එන්නේ. බාන්නේ ගල් පිහිටලා තියෙන හැටි නේද?